It is Sunday, August 11th, and I am running late to the Ram Trucks meet. Nice. Very nice. There we go. It's a good looking truck.
I did a custom toolbox in the back of the truck. Yeah. Up against it. Yeah, it was probably with the wrong one.
Got me. And then my ride. Let's go. Bear's coming from a mile away. Alright, I just pulled up with the Florida Ram Truck Club. Look at all those trucks. There we go, there's the angle. It's all about angles, man. Let's see what they got. Almost got run over. That would be embarrassing. your name? What do you drive?
My name is John. I drive a 2017 Mustang GT Supercharged.
My name's Blake. I drive GT350.
My name is Don Tarango.
Ford Raptor right here. My name is Evan, and I drive a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT.
My name's Moises Carlos. I drive a 2013 Ford Mustang 5.0.
My name's Jake, and I drive a 2014 APR2 Jetta.
My name is Koki, and I drive a GTI.
My name is Rick, and I drive a Mach 5 GTI.
My name's Chris. I drive a 2016 F-150.
How you doing? My name's Adam Wade. I drive 2017 Ram 2500.
Oscar Rodriguez, and I drive a Camaro SS 2017.
Inside Detail Garage. They're doing the car show here today. All the stuff they got. Lots of quality products. Very cool. Alright guys, I'm here with David and Eddie with Detail Garage, and I just want to get a quick explanation of why you put the show on and what's going on with this specific show today.
Well, today happens to be our very first birthday. So we opened up August 11th of last year, so we're having a big show today for celebrating our first birthday.
Very cool. Very cool. Alright, and what do you think about the shows, the turnout and all that?
Well,
Everything seemed good?
We're super happy with all the customer base that showed up for the whole the time that we're here for our first year. So actually ecstatic for all the customer support that we've had throughout the year.
Very cool. And where are you guys located so my viewers can come and find you?
We're at 8622 West State Road 84 in Davie, Florida.
Alright, so David, nice talking to you. Eddie, nice
you.
talking to you.
Thank you. Thank
and
you.
I'll catch you guys outside at the show,
And we
alright?
hope to see everybody here.
Absolutely.
soon.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, I broke my selfie stick, so I guess it's time to get a gimbal. Woo! Florida Ram Trop Club rolling in strong in the Twin Peaks. Sweet. Alright, so we're finishing up here at Twin Peaks. Delicious food. I had the chicken and waffles. It was great. And yeah, gonna get one more rolling shot of the crew pulling out of the parking lot and gonna call it a day from there. It's always got to be one. All right. end of the day. Okay, no, it's not the end of the day. It's midday. It's right after 1 o'clock. So it's the end of the car show weekend. I wanted to do 3 or more car shows. I did 2. I'd say that's fine. Most people are lucky to do 1 on a weekend. But I live in an area where there's a car show nearly every single weekend, and it is awesome. It's all about knowing the right people. So, that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Saturday was the Supercar Saturdays, and today was the Detail Garage anniversary event, or birthday event. They do a Cars and Coffee about once a month as well. So, basically 2 kind of Cars and Coffee-ish car shows. Whatever. You get my point. So far, that's what this channel seems to be about. But if you guys can like and subscribe down below, yeah, right, I think it's right about here. I'm not sure, it might be reversed since I'm doing a selfie cam, but it's somewhere down there. Like, subscribe, share the video. Now, I didn't know what the bell notifications were about until recently. Apparently, the YouTube algorithms are kind of weird, and if you don't hit the bell for notifications, you may or may not see my content, even if you're subscribed. So if you want to see my content every time I upload, please hit that bell icon. Otherwise, I mean, it's up to you. I'm not gonna, I can't reach the screen and force you to do anything. So, yeah. I hope you enjoy my channel. And as I was saying, if we can grow this to the point that I can start doing really cool projects and stuff like that, and maybe even traveling for some of these car shows, that would be really awesome. But that lies in the hand of my viewers. If you guys can like, subscribe, interact with me. Now, hey, also, throw a comment down below telling me what kind of stuff do you want to see. I like anything having to do with cars. I can do car reviews, even though I'm not that fantastic at knowing every single detail of the car. I could just, you know, my charming personality, and you get my point. I could drive cool cars, tell you about them, and encourage you to drive them as well. And that way it's mutual promotion for me and the people I'm doing the car reviews for, whether it's a dealership or whether it's a person or whatever. So, if you enjoy my rambling, continue to support me down below. All right? So I hope you all have a great day, great weekend, a great week, whatever. I'm going to have this uploaded within the week is the plan. Editing takes a while. I'm still getting used to the Lightworks software that I'm using to do the video editing. So if you have any recommendations about that, leave that down below in the comments. The more interaction you guys can have with me, the better this channel is going to do. And the better this channel does, the more cool stuff I get to show you guys. I want to do reviews. I want to go places. I want to see cool cars. I want to see custom cars. I want to see brand new exotics. I want to see it all. And I want to show it and share it with you guys. So, do what you got to do. I'm going to do what I got to do. Tomorrow I got to go back to work to my normal 9 to 5 job, or actually 7 to 3, but besides the point. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. There should be some more car shows coming up soon, so you shouldn't have to wait too long. Have a great day, y'all.